Investing in real estate with no money requires creativity, resourcefulness, and leveraging other people's resources. Here are some strategies to invest in real estate with little to no money. Wholesaling. As a real estate wholesaler, you find distressed properties, negotiate contracts with sellers, and assign those contracts to buyers for a fee. You don't need to purchase the property yourself, making it a low-risk strategy. Joint ventures. Partner with investors who have capital but may lack time, expertise, or local knowledge. You contribute your skills, such as finding deals or managing renovations, while your partner provides the financing. Seller financing. Negotiate with sellers to finance the purchase of the property. This can involve a lease option, seller carryback mortgage, or subject to financing, allowing you to acquire properties with little or no money down. Hard money lenders. Borrow money from private or hard money lenders to fund your real estate deals. While hard money loans typically have higher interest rates and fees, they can provide financing when traditional lenders won't. Create financing. Explore creative financing options such as seller financing, lease options, or using retirement accounts to invest in real estate without significant upfront capital.